Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please be careful when you trade, use your stops. Understand there are risks involved with trading. As we come into the last week of the year, this is kind of sloppy trading, as I like to call it. And sloppy trading is a lot of whipsaw, a lot of large candles. This is a difficult time to trade. And so if you are trading during this last week of the year, just be careful. Remember, we're going to try to pinpoint our entries. We're not going to chase the market. So I have the Atlas line, which is that dotted blue line above. I have the Blueprint software, and I also have the Trade Scalper software. So I have three different types of software all aligning. And I want to take a position. In this case, it's going to be a short position, and the short entry at 47.8150 is based on the Trade Scalper. Now this, in my opinion, is a good opportunity to go short because the Atlas line is indicating the market's going to go down.
Order submitted.
The Blueprint is also giving us a lot of orders to go short.
Order filled.
All right, so at this point, the entry is 47.8150, just like the software indicates to go short. I have a target based on the ATR,
filled.
and it just got hit. Very quick. 2.5 points. I would probably even have recommended 2 points, just to be a little bit more conservative, but really that's out of the trade. There was a previous 47.84 short on the Blueprint. This is the Trade Scalper, another short on the Blueprint, and we have the Atlas line up here. Mentorship starts January 10th, 2022 is the next class. Those of you who are interested, all the software is included. What you see here is the Blueprint software, the Atlas line, and the Trade Scalper, all giving us short signals, and that's where I want to be as a trader, to go short. Have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.